Yo, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this easy and simple censored face effect for your next edit or music video. Starting off, I already have my clip imported. Head to the beginning of our clip, double click on our clip, it's going to bring up our layer, and click our roto brush tool. It's going to be like this little guy right here with our paintbrush. Once we have our roto brush tool selected, we want to zoom into our face right here. So we're going to start just tracing it out right here. Then I'm going to click freeze. It's going to go to all of our frames and it's going to freeze our roto brush. And you can see right here, it starts messing this up. So I'm going to unfreeze it. Then I'm going to head right here to where our problem happens and just get rid of this right here. So I'm going to freeze our roto brush once again. Once after that, I'm going to go ahead and just bring up our feather just a bit. And if you want, you can bring up your shift edge. Just go ahead and mess around with it to your liking. Once after that, it's gonna actually cut out our face right here. I'm gonna duplicate our actual video, head to the bottom, then we're gonna get rid of the roto brush effect. Head to the second clip, and it's actually gonna be where our face is at, so if I were to turn it off, we have our face right there. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add mosaic. Bring up our mosaic a bit. And just like that, that's how you censor your face. Yeah, it's a very simple way to make the actual censored effect. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or just go and share the video. Keep working hard and keep on staying creative. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.